What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Cooking with Mike. Today we're going to be making some banana pancakes, homemade pancakes. Let's get started on these homemade pancakes, banana pancakes. So what we're going to do first is we're going to do about 2 cups of flour. Got our 3 eggs in there. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna add a teaspoon of salt. And some of you guys have seen me do this, like guessing. All right, check this out. That might look huge, but guess what? It's 1 teaspoon of salt. Oh my gosh, these are so good. So good. Oh, great banana flavor. The buttermilk syrup goes awesome, and the whipped cream just is cherry on the top. All right, guys, thanks for watching. If you want to click the subscribe button down below, that'd be great. Make sure your notifications are set so when I upload a new video, you guys get a notification. Also, go ahead and smash that like button and share with your friends. Appreciate it. Until next time.